Welcome to our channel where we guide you through fixing a locked Discover credit card with easy, step-by-step instructions. If you find yourself with a locked Discover credit card, don't worry because unlocking it is usually straightforward once you understand the process. Discover typically locks a card for security reasons such as multiple incorrect PIN attempts, suspected fraud, or unusual activity on your account. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you unlock your card quickly and get back to using it without stress first. Verify the reason behind the lock. Check your email or text messages associated with your Discover account for any alerts or notifications explaining why the card was locked. Sometimes, you might receive a notification urging you to verify recent transactions or to confirm your identity next. Prepare your account information. Before calling Discover or accessing your online account, have your card number, social security number, or tax ID, and any recent transaction details ready. This will speed up the verification process. Try logging into your Discover online account or mobile app. Often, locked cards can be unlocked by following prompts on the app or website, such as confirming recent purchases or updating your personal information. This is the quickest way to resolve minor security holds. If this doesn't work, contact Discover customer service directly. Use the customer service number on the back of your card or on Discover's official website. When you call, explain that your card is locked and you would like to unlock it. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. Once your identity is confirmed, Discover may lift the lock immediately or provide instructions for next steps. Sometimes they might ask you to wait a few hours or days, especially if a fraud investigation is ongoing. After the card is unlocked, take a moment to review your recent transactions and account settings to ensure everything is correct and there are no unauthorized charges. Update your password or PIN if necessary for added security. To prevent your card from locking again, avoid multiple incorrect PIN entries, notify Discover if you plan to travel, and enable transaction alerts to stay informed about your card activity. Remember, a locked card is a security measure designed to protect you from fraudulent use. Following these steps will help you regain access smoothly and keep your account secure.